One group wey dem dey call Bola Ahmed Tinubu Vanguard for Rivers State don chook mouth for wetin the governorship candidate of the Rivers State All Progressive Congress Tonye tok say the recent visit of the Presido-elect Bola Tinubu to Rivers State na private to the governor. State coordinator of the group Tonye for one tok with tori pipo for Port Harcourt come tok say the visit of the Presido-elect na state visit. E come tok say for the visit, residents of the state come out to receive the Presido-elect, including members of the All Progressive Congress wey Tonye dey claim say dem no dey aware. Okocha constitute tok say the governorship candidate of the All Progressive Congress for the state no invest for the success of the Presido-elect campaign and election. He come say na him, his team, other loyal party members and Governor Wike ensure say the Presido-elect campaign dey successful for the state. Okocha come tok say he still remain the current leader of the All Progressive Congress for Rivers State.
It was a state visit, and we all saw it that it was what? A state visit. Everything that happened, including the banquet. Banquet is a state activity. It was not in Governor Wike's residence. So for Tonye to have said that the visit with of the president-elect was private was a blatant lie. The APC in Rivers State was not only informed, we were members of the planning committee. We were part of the color party mounted to receive the president-elect. The candidate that won the presidential election is the candidate that we supported. We supported ab initio. Most of these people now, who are now being, I call them sanctimonious, that in less than 1 week of the election, nothing was happening. You were traversing between local governments, and in all your engagements, campaign engagements, you never mentioned Tinubu. I make bold to say that neither a dime nor whatever broken into 50 came from architect Tonye for that event. And I stand to challenge him anytime, anywhere, because I have all the receipts of all that we did, the ones that are receivable. I have all.
From Port Harcourt, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.